Good day, everyone. I will tackle about artificial intelligence in advertising, revolutionizing marketing strategies. In today's fast evolving digital landscape, artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic concept. It's a cornerstone of modern advertising. From personalized consumer experiences to real-time data analytics, AI is reshaping how brands connect with their audiences. With its ability to analyze vast amounts of data and predict trends, AI is enabling marketers to craft highly targeted campaigns, automate routine tasks, and optimize advertising performance like never before. This presentation will explore how AI is transforming the advertising industry and revolutionizing marketing strategies. We will dive into key innovations, examine the benefits and challenges of AI-driven advertising, and highlight how businesses can leverage these tools to remain competitive in an increasingly dynamic marketplace. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is a field of science concerned with building computers and machines that can reason, learn, and act in such a way that would normally require human intelligence or that involves data whose scale exceeds what humans can analyze. We have key features. We have machine learning, natural language processing, and predictive analytics. First, we have machine learning. Machine learning is a subset of AI that helps system improve automatically through data without being explicitly programmed. And then we have natural learning processing, which is it enables AI to understand and interact using human language, important for chatbots and voice search. And also, we have predictive analytics, and it uses past data to predict future trends, crucial for advertising targeting and consumer behavior analysis. Next is the importance of AI in advertising. First, we have personalization. It delivers tailored ads to individual users based on behavior and preferences. AI enables brands to deliver highly personalized ads tailored to individual consumers by history and preferences. Also, AI creates targeted campaigns that resonate with audiences on a personal level. This level of customization not only improves user experience but also leads to higher engagement rates and increased conversions. Next, we have data analysis. It is the processes big data to identify trends and insights. In modern advertising thrives on data, and AI excels at processing vast data sets to uncover actionable insights. From analyzing customer demographics to identifying emerging trends, AI empowers advertisers to target the right audience with precision. And next is the cost efficiency. It automates repetitive tasks like ad placements and audience targeting. AI streamlines advertising operations by automating repetitive tasks such as audience segmentation, ad placements, and performance reporting. This is not only reduces the manual workload but also lowers operational cost. Advertisers can allocate more resources to strategy and creativity, knowing that AI is handling the labor incentive aspects. We have also real-time adjustments. It is dynamically updates campaigns to better performance. One of AI's standout capabilities is its ability to monitor and performance in real time. AI-driven tools can quickly identify and underperforming ads and adjust strategies on the fly, such as reallocating budgets, changing targeting parameters, or tweaking creative elements. This agility ensures campaigns remain optimized and competitive even in fast changing market conditions. So next is the challenges of AI in advertising. So first we have data privacy. So it concerns over user data collection and compliance with regulations. So AI effectiveness depends on vast amounts of consumer data, raising concerns about privacy and security. So advertisers must navigate stringent regulations like the GDPR and CCPA to ensure compliance while maintaining transparency and trust with consumers. So next is the bias in AI. So it is the potential for discriminatory outcomes based on bias training data. So AI systems are only as good as the data they are trained on. So if the training data is biased or unrepresentative, the AI can perpetuate these biases, leading to unfair or discriminatory outcomes in ad target targeting. So next is high initial cost. So it is the investment in AI tools and expertise can be expensive. So implementing AI solutions can require significant upfront investment. So businesses need to allocate resources for acquiring advanced tools, building infrastructure, and hiring skilled personnel. So for smaller organizations, this high cost might pose a barrier to entry, delaying adoption and competitiveness in AI-driven advertising. So lastly, we have over-reliance on automation. So it is a risk of losing the human touch in creativity and messaging. So while AI excels at optimizing processes, excessive reliance on automation can lead to a lack of creativity and human insight in campaigns. So AI might prioritize efficiency over originality, resulting in ads that feel generic or disconnected from brand's identity. So balancing AI's capabilities with human creativity is essential to maintain meaningful consumer engagement. So addressing these challenges is critical for harnessing AI's potential while ensuring ethical, effective, and innovative advertising processes. Next is streamlining operations in advertising using AI. So first is content creation. So it is automated generation of ad copy, visuals, and videos. So AI is revolutionizing content creation by automating the development of ad copy, visuals, and even videos. So tools powered by AI can generate tailored advertisements quickly, ensuring they align with audience preferences and campaign goals. So this reduces the time and resources spent on manual creation, allowing marketers to focus more on strategy and creative refinement. So next is pragmatic advertising. So it is AI driven ad placements for cost effective targeting. So AI drives programmatic advertising by automating and placement decisions. So it identifies the right audience, optimal platforms, and perfect timing to deliver ads, ensuring maximum impact and efficient budget allocation. So by analyzing users' data in real time, AI ensures that every advertising dollar is spent where it's most likely to yield results. So next we have performance monitoring. So it is real-time tracking and optimization of campaigns. So AI tools continuously track and analyze the performance of ad campaigns. So it is to identify the areas for improvement in real time. So this allows for on-the-fly adjustments to targeting, creatives, or budgets, ensuring campaigns remain optimized throughout their life cycle. So with AI's precision, advertisers can maximize ROI and achieve better outcomes faster. So lastly, we have customer insights. So it is predicting customer behavior to enhance strategies. So, by analyzing consumer data, AI predicts behavior and preferences, enabling advertisers to tailor campaigns that resonate deeply with their audience. So, it can even anticipate future, allowing business to stay ahead of trends and offer solutions proactively. So this insight fosters stronger connection with consumers and enhances brand loyalty. So these AI-driven capabilities streamline operations, making advertising more efficient, targeted, and impactful than ever before. So next we have reducing costs in advertising using AI. So first we have efficient budget allocation. So AI recommends optimal spending based on performance matrix. So AI empowers advertisers to make smarter financial decisions by analyzing performance data across campaigns. So it identifies which channels, platforms, and audiences yield the highest returns and reallocates budgets accordingly. So next we have lower human resource costs. So it automates tasks like A/B testing, freeing up human talent for strategy. So with AI automating routine tasks like data analysis, data targeting, and performance reporting, businesses can reduce the need for extensive manual input. So this allows marketing teams to focus on strategic planning and creative innovation, streamlining operations, and cutting labor related costs. So next is fraud detection. So it prevents ad fraud, saving money lost to fake clicks. So digital advertising is vulnerable to fraudulent activities like fake clicks, bot traffic, and invalid ad impressions. So AI plays a critical role in detecting and preventing such fraud in real time. We also have case studies. So first we have Coca-Cola. So leverage AI-powered chatbots and data analytics to boost customer engagement, achieving a 20% increase in sales within 6 months. Also, we have Nike. So it utilized AI-driven personalization to recommend products, resulting in a 40% improvement in online conversion rates when they use the AI for advertising. So next we have tools and technologies in AI for advertising. So we have four examples. We have Google Ads AI, Facebook Ads Manager, ChatGPT for customer engagement, and Adobe Sensei for creative designs. We also have features, automation, analysis, and scalability. So these examples or these tools are very helpful, especially in businesses or in marketers for advertising their products and services. So next are the ethical considerations in AI advertising. So first we have transparency. So it clearly communicates when ads are AI generated. So it is crucial to inform users when AI generates ads, fostering trust by clearly communicating the use of machine-driven content. Next, we have consent. So it ensures user consent for data collection and use. So advertisers must prioritize obtaining explicit user consent for data collection, ensuring privacy and compliance with regulations like GDPR and CCPA. So lastly, we have fairness. So it mitigates biases in AI algorithms. So fairness is to minimize algorithmic biases. AI models should be trained on diverse representative datasets, promoting equitable and delivery across all demographics and preventing discriminatory practices. So here are the key points. So AI transform advertising through personalization, efficiency, and data-driven strategies. The challenges include ethical concern, cost, and balancing automation with human creativity. The opportunities, streamlining operations, and reducing costs offer immense potential for brands. So let's end this with a quote. AI won't replace marketers, but marketers who use AI will replace those who don't. So, this underscores AI's transformative role and urges marketers to embrace it as a critical tool for future success. So, thank you for your attention. So, once again, I am Lourdes Villares from BSO Ad 3E. Thank you and have a nice day.